constructor is also a method that gets invoked as soon as you create the instance of the class. This is a small example. So line number 1 to line number 6 is the class. The class name is person. Okay, now this particular class has two methods. One method is init. Second method is my function. Okay, two methods or two functions are there in this class. So observe that the first method name is init and it has two underscores. Two underscores and then init again two underscores. Like I said in function, we have to use a self as a mandatory field. Self, and then I've given a two variable, name and age. That means this function will accept two arguments, name and age. Okay, and then it is going to store name and age in this variable self.name and self.age. And then we have a function, my function, which is simply print, hello, my name is self.name. Okay. Now this part is fine, but then what you need to understand is the meaning of line number 8. Let's say if these lines are not there, only my function is there. Okay. Only my function is there. Very small, neat class. This class is only my function and it will print hello, my name, hello world, let's say. Hello world. That has become very simple, straightforward. I run it. It's printing hello world. Okay. Now, what I want to do is instead of calling this function, okay, instead of calling to two lines, one is I'm creating the instance of person, so P1 is the instance, and then I'm forcefully calling my function. Instead of that, as soon as you create an instance, okay, this hello world should be printed. That is a requirement. I created the instance P1, but it is not printing hello world because hello world is in a function called my function, which we are not calling. Okay, which are not calling. That's right, it's not invoking. But the requirement is it should invoke as soon as you create the instance. So what we do, we change the name of this. I give two underscores and I give init two underscore. Okay, I change the name of it. I gave init. Now if I run this program, now it is printing hello world. Okay? I'm not invoking it. Only what I did is I just created the instance P1 equals person. That means as soon as you create the instance, it is going to call this method. And whatever is there inside method, it is invoking. This is called as constructor. The init is a constructor. Normally, I think in C and Java and all, what happens is this function name also will be having the same class name, and that becomes a constructor. But in Python, it is not like that. In Python, we give init with two underscores, the beginning and the end, and that becomes the constructor. And the meaning, what is constructor? So constructor is a method which gets invoked as soon as you create the instance. You don't have to manually invoke that particular function. Okay. Similarly, we have another function here. Let's say f function 1. Okay. Self is printing something else. It's printing I am function 1. Now, the second function will not invoke. Okay. Second function will not invoke automatically. It is printing only hello world. I am function 1 is not getting printed. Okay. Now, somebody tell me how to invoke function 1. What should I do to invoke function 1? What is the line? What is the command for that? What should I do to invoke function 1? func1. Please write in the chat box quick. How to invoke function 1? Because it is not printing. It's only printing hello world. It is not printing I am function 1. Anybody? Please tell me how to invoke function 1, or how to call this function 1. Calling function. Yes, you can call. Yes, you have to call the function. But what should I write? How do I call it? How do I call? What is the command? What should I do here? In line number 8, tell me what should I write. In line number 8, I should write something to call function 1. If I simply give function 1, will it work? It not. It's showing an error. Simply function 1 I cannot give. P1 dot my function. Yes. Great. Thank you. So now if I want to call function 1, you cannot simply call function 1. That will not work. You have to give P1 dot function 1. Okay. Now what will happen is, first it will execute the constructor. So it will print hello world. And then we are calling function 1. It's printing I am function 1. See, hello world and I am function 1 is getting printed. Okay. So this is a difference. So difference between constructor and other function. We don't have to specifically invoke the constructor. It automatically get invoked. Now, next thing is, while invoking, now in this program that we have written, now in this program, see what we are doing is, now try to understand this. Okay? So the moment we give P1 equal person, Peter, 26, the moment in line number 7 only, it is automatically calling init function and creating two variables, self.name and self.age. This self.name and self.age is inside the class that we are storing whatever we are passing. So Peter will be in self.name, 26 will be self.age automatically, right? Then we are calling my function. In the my function, we are telling hello, my name is self.name. So the self.name, it is taking from this init. It is a class variable, right? So it is taking from this and it is printing. So in this constructor, we are not only invoking that method, we are also passing a variable. Say, hello, my name is Peter, it is telling. Which condition don't work? Anita is telling something. Which condition won't work? It will work. It will work. This condition will work. So because when we give person, it is invoking init and also we're passing Peter at 26. So this will be value of name and age, and that we're storing into these two variables. Okay. And because self we are giving self.name, when I give, name is getting accessed. This is example to teach you constructor. That means as a constructor itself, we are passing the parameter. Any question in this constructor? Any question anywhere? Any line? Let's say I want to print age also. So just print I am, okay. I'm printing plus self.age plus years old. So I'm printing two lines, printing name and printing age also. Now if I run this, printing, okay, it has to. Okay, so str function we use to convert the number into a string, because unless it is a string, we cannot concatenate the values. So now it is printing, hello, my name is Peter, I am 26 years old. Right. So this is how the meaning of this constructor and function. All right. Okay.